In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Discord. Let's get started by opening the Discord desktop app or by heading to discord.com/login in your web browser. On the login page, look for the register option. It's usually right below the sign-in fields. Click register to bring up the account creation form. Now you'll enter your registration details, your email, a username, a password, and your date of birth. Take a moment to type your email carefully. Double check every character. If it's misspelled, you won't be able to change it after registration, and that can cause headaches later. For the username, pick something you're comfortable having other people see. It represents you across servers and chats, so keep it simple, recognizable, and appropriate. For your password, choose a strong one you don't use anywhere else. A mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is a good idea to keep your account secure. And for your date of birth, enter it accurately. Discord uses this to ensure the right experience and safety features are applied to your account. Once everything looks good, press continue. If anything needs fixing, like a missing character in the email or a password that doesn't meet the requirements, you'll see a prompt to correct it. Make any adjustments, then press continue again. If you're prompted with a captcha, go ahead and complete it. This step helps Discord confirm that a real person is creating the account. Just follow the on-screen instructions, whether it's selecting images or checking a box, and it should only take a few seconds. After that, you'll be logged in automatically and taken straight into Discord with your brand new account. You're officially ready to use Discord. From here, you can explore servers, join communities, and start chatting with friends. If the page doesn't move forward right away, give it a moment or refresh the page and sign in with the details you just created. A few quick reminders as you begin. Keep your password somewhere safe and make sure you can access the email you used since it's tied to your account. Also, if your username is taken, try a variation that still feels like you and avoid including personal information. And that's all it takes to sign up for Discord. Open the app or visit the site, click register, enter your details with care, press continue, complete the captcha if it appears, and you're in. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Discord account.